Not every arrival needs sound. Some just take control instantly. Welcome to BMW Ignite. This is the new BMW 7 Series M760e xDrive. Finished in Dravit Grey Metallic. A full-size luxury performance sedan, powered by plug-in hybrid technology. First revealed in 2022, those headlights cut through darkness. Sharp presence, impossible to ignore. Low and wide. Every inch feels deliberately engineered. It stretches endlessly. Silhouette built for motion begin to speak now. That initial push hits instantly. A force you feel before hearing. Torque builds without hesitation, pulling everything forward smoothly. Acceleration feels almost effortless. Speed rises without any struggle. On open roads it settles in. Composed, stable, always controlled. From the front, it leads confidently. No second guessing, just precision. It adapts instantly. Balance never breaks under pressure. Wide roads become its playground, gliding forward with quiet dominance. From the rear, it never fades. Presence stays even at distance. And the air shifts, a moment you don't forget. Endless roads feel shorter here, because effort simply disappears weightless. Everything responds without delay. Speed builds again from the ground. Low, planted, deeply connected. Even from afar, it approaches with intent. Confidence visible in every movement. And then it just flows smooth, continuous, uninterrupted. In my opinion, this isn't just powerful engineering. It's performance learning control. Would you step into this silence or stay chasing noise? Follow BMW Ignite for more.